To track a Remitly transfer, start by opening the Remitly app and signing into your account. On the home screen, you'll see your recent transfer. Tap it to see more details. That brings up the status page, which tells you exactly where your money is in the process, pending, processing, or sent. Now, you will also see an estimated delivery time and any updates or alerts if there's an issue. If you're using the Remitly website, simply log in, go to My Transfers, click on the one you want to track, and view the status and delivery estimate there. Now, when you check your email or phone, Remitly usually sends notifications at key stages when the transfer starts, when it's in transit, and when it's delivered. If something seems delayed or you have questions, use the in-app help or chat support to get personalized tracking or clarification. Tracking helps you stay informed and gives peace of mind. So checking your transfer regularly means you will know exactly when the money arrives. Now, if this was useful, hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment with your next how to topic.